Good morning kids. In the last class we learnt about Europe and Australia. I hope you all did your activity. The question was where in India you would find coral reef. This is the map of India and you can see that coral reefs are present in Gulf of Kutch, that is Gujarat, the coastal plains of Goa and Mumbai, Lakshadweep Islands, the Gulf of Mannar in Bay of Bengal, Andaman Islands and Nicobar Islands. Today we will learn about Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. First, we will discuss about Pacific Ocean. It is the largest ocean in the world. It consists of large number of islands and it is the largest fishing ground and rich in mineral. Now let's see where it is located. This is the world map and you can see that Pacific Ocean separates the two Americas from Asia and Australia. The Earth's deepest point is found in Pacific Ocean and it is the Mariana Trench. It is 11,033 meters long. It is very dark and no sunlight penetrates through this darkness. Because of this, there are no plants. The pressure of the water is so high that it pushes human body causing lungs collapse. There are different types of species found in this Mariana Trench. But before that, let's see where it is located. This is the map and you can see that Mariana Trench is located in the westward of Pacific Ocean and east of Philippines. As I have already discussed that various types of species are found here in Mariana Trench. The first one is telescope octopus. It has a transparent body with rotating eye and visible digestive system. Going deeper, you would find angular fish. It has the ability to live in complete darkness and it grows around 3 foot. Next is the Dumbo octopus. It enjoys life up to 4 miles under water. This is the picture of sea cucumber. It is present on the floor of Mariana Trench. Going deeper, you would find unseen species of snailfish, eels and so on. Various types of bacterial activities are also present in this Mariana Trench. Most of the scientists have recorded different types of sounds from the bottom of the Mariana Trench and it's really very terrifying. Still, they have not recognized the origin of the sound and this Mariana Trench still remains a mystery. Now, let's watch a video which shows the depth of the Mariana Trench. I hope you enjoyed the video. Now let's move to the Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. You can see Atlantic Ocean separates the two Americas from Europe and Africa. There is an underwater mountain range and it is known as Mid-Atlantic Ridge, which is located on the floor of the ocean. Although this ridge is mostly underwater, a small portion is elevated above the sea level. Now let's see where Mid-Atlantic Ridge is located. You can see it is located in the Atlantic Ocean and some portion of Mid-Ridge is elevated in Iceland. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.